Here are some exercises for using modes. Number 1, compose a short, unaccompanied melody in a Gregorian or church mode for violin solo. Number 2, compose a short homophonic piece for organ or piano. Establish the main tonic clearly and then gradually modulate to another center, but in the same mode. End with a strong cadence affirming the new tonic. Number 3, compose a calm melodic phrase for oboe, say 4 to 8 bars long, accompanied by piano, which modulates gradually from one mode to another, but on the same tonic. Number 4, compose a playful phrase for clarinet, accompanied by strings, which suddenly changes mode, staying on the same tonic. And last, number 5, invent a mode of your own, which includes semitones. Compose 2 independent phrases, 4 to 8 bars each in this mode. Make the 2 phrases as contrasting as you can.